Hi folks, I'm Norm with Olsa Tools and welcome back to the garage. Today we are super excited to show you our brand new, hot off the factory floor, US made ratchet collection. Here they are, all four available on the website. You got your 1/4 inch, 180 swivel, 6 inch, 3/8. Look how small that is, it's fantastic. Again with the 180 swivel, 3/8 drive, 12 inch, 180 as well, beauty. And then the big one, look at that, 24 inch, 1/2 inch, full flex head. Oh, that's fantastic. All four ratchets feature the 90 tooth design for a super smooth action and very, very, very strong. And they're all very nicely chromed, very durable for the harsh shop environments these things are gonna be in. Nice and comfortable. Very, very similar to the bigger shop truck versions. All of them feature this nice slim head design as well. Like, look at this compared to this more popular tool truck version. Look how nice that is. And all the kits are available on the website with the full rebuilds available, because you're gonna, on the 24, or particularly this little guy, when you're using it, you're gonna snipe it. You're not supposed to, we don't recommend it, but you're gonna. I've done it. I will do it. That'll do. All right, we're gonna put this on here. This is a real world demonstration. You're down somewhere tight. Listen to this, listen. Look at that. That's basically nothing. That's awesome. And that's a 12 inch throw. Fantastic stuff. And there you have it. There's the four new ratchets from Olsa Tools, made in the USA, available online. Get them now. They're far more cost effective than anything you'll get off the truck and easily just as good. That's all we have for this time, but like and subscribe. There'll be lots more from Olsa Tools as we develop new projects and refresh the ones we already have in cool new environments. Until next time, I'm Norm. See you again.